The money that you spend on Buteyko is very small and the health benefits are very large.
I know that it took some time for the message to get into you to do this. You knew about it for some time before you actually got going. And by the time you got going, you actually decided to put in the investment.
Yes, it's important to make a conscious decision that this is necessary, that you have to do the work. The science is there. Just do the practice and the results will come. The money that you'll spend on Buteyko is very small compared to a lifetime of health benefits that you'll receive. It really pays us back.
It's that message that people save money by doing Buteyko, actually, that is the key. It's very difficult for people in England to get that because they think they've got a free health service. Whereas when I go to Ireland, where they pay to go to the doctor, they pay for their medications, they can make that calculation very quickly. We'll do one workshop, we'll get our money back within 6 months.
The money that you could spend on doctors, even alternative care doctors, $275, you'd spend that at one alternative care doctor visit.
That's huge, isn't it?
Yeah. And you could spend even more than that on just with supplements and things.
Is that just a consulting fee?
Yes. My family doesn't have health insurance as we don't want to go to mainstream medical doctors and they just want to give you prescription medications. So we pay out of pocket for everything. So we know the value for things. We look for things that are good value. Buteyko is not much money for the value that you get in your health. I hope other moms will do it.
Well, that's my aim, is to get families to understand how important this is and to take this thing in hand and get the results for themselves and their children. That's what I hope for. That's what Buteyko hoped for. That was his idea, actually, that this needed to go to mothers that were preparing to have babies and that families should do this as a health insurance. He actually wanted the government to implement this in all kindergartens for small children and to insist that mothers that were preparing to have children to do it or to do it after they'd had their children.
I wish I knew about it then.
It's a very strange thing that this doesn't fly easily.
Yeah.
I guess because we're all busy wanting to be looked after.